Dylan's Tours wants to help you get from the airport to downtown San Francisco using BART. BART. Beautiful Bay Area rapid transit, a true joy to ride. Now, chances are you're flying into Oakland International, or SFO. When taking BART from Oakland, don't get on the Richmond line, because that's the only one that doesn't go to San Francisco. And then you'll have to transfer, and you might end up someplace terrible like Walnut Creek. All SFO BART trains lead to downtown San Francisco. The best stop for Union Square is Powell Street. And this is also where you can get on the adorable F Market line, which will take you to the Fisherman's Wharf. A one-way ticket from Oakland International to Powell Street is $10.95, and it's $9.15 from SFO to Powell Street. Of course, you can always just take a Lyft or Uber, but then you'll never enjoy the wonders of BART.